Hi y'all, welcome back to Talking with Tiana. I am Tiana, and for today's video I wanted to do an everyday look. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. If you would like to see a tutorial of that, I can go ahead and put my last video in the description box for you. I want to go ahead and start with my eyes. So let's take these glasses off, pull this hair back, and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids using my Instant Age Rewind in the color Neutralizer. Just put that all over my lid. And I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender and blend that out. I'll be back. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this BH Cosmetics palette. I love it because it's all neutrals. If I can get this to open. Alright, that's what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this brush and set this color right here all over my lid. You must really be wondering how I can see doing this because I don't have contacts on and I don't have my glasses on. The good thing is that this is just white base. I'm gonna grab this brush, which is a blending brush, and I'm gonna go in my crease with this color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on my crease. I'm going to go in one more time with that same color. I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Make sure you drag this color all throughout your crease, all the way to the inner part of your eye. I'm going to go back into this palette and I'm going to go ahead and swirl my brush into this one. I'm going to grab that color and I'm going to put it right under where we put this crease color. Next up, I'm going to do my other eye. Same thing, make sure you put it right under that crease. Go ahead and grab this brush here, which is just a flat brush, and I'm going to go ahead and go into this color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. And I'm just going to gently pat that on. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And I'm going to go back in with this blending brush here and make sure that these colors are blended into the crease. Go ahead and grab a clean brush and swipe that right here. By doing this, you are eliminating harsh lines and making sure everything is blended out evenly. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this brush here. It's just a small brush. Go back into that color that we used for the lid. And put this right here under my brow for that brow highlight. Same thing for the other eye. Grab that same brush and make sure those colors are blended together. I'm gonna go in with my NYX-Honey Dew Me Up primer. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right here. Oh, I forget how gooey this thing is. So I'm gonna go in with this color. I'm gonna go in with this type of primer because I am actually not putting any foundation on my face, probably just some concealer, and I just want a glowy type of look. If you have dry skin, this is a really good primer for you. It gives you that really dewy effect. So this feels a little, you know, tacky, but not overly tacky. It feels really, really nice, and it feels really, really nice and moisturized. Really, really red right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just put a few dots here. On my chin, and I still have that ugly little thing right here, and we're gonna put just a little bit on my forehead, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dab that in. I really want this to sink into my skin. I don't like it whenever concealers just sit on top. I actually don't like it whenever they do that to foundations either. I'm gonna go back into my Wet n Wild palette here, and I'm gonna lightly contour right here. Do the same on the other side. Gonna go in with the Ulta Beauty Baked Bronzer with that same brush, which this is a Circa powder brush. I got it from Walgreens. It was on sale. It's my fave. Love getting stuff that's on. I love getting stuff that are on sale or on clearance. I'm gonna go right here where we laid that contour. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face using the Mario Badescu Cucumber and Green Tea spray. Go in with my Wet n Wild Precious Petals. That's that. This is beautiful. You know, Wet n Wild makes some of the best highlighters for the drugstore. I'm gonna go in with my favorite highlighting brush, and I'm gonna go right here. Go down the bridge of my nose. Blend that out. Go on my Cupid's bow. And it probably looks crazy because I can't see. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on using the Wonder Beauty-Unlashed. This one was also in a BoxyCharm box. I'm telling you, I get everything from BoxyCharm. This is what the wand looks like. And I'm just going to do just one coat here because, again, this is a very natural look. We don't want harsh colors going through. Lastly, we're gonna go in with this lip liner. This is the Bodyography-Lip Pencil in Timber. This is what the swatch looks like. Told you that Cupid's bow looked crazy. So for my lip liner, I like to go ahead and fill in most of my lips because I feel like it helps with the pigmentation of anything else that I'm gonna use, and I feel like it makes my lipstick last longer. It's probably not true, but it probably does. I'm going to be using a lip gloss. I really like to put some type of lip liner on my lips because I feel like it makes the lip gloss look more opaque. Next up, we're going to go in with this Ulta Beauty Creamy Lip Gloss. This is what it swatches like. Right. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that right over the lip liner. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. So that's what the eye looks like. So it looks really like I don't have anything on, just a little bit of glow there. That's the lipstick. So please let me know what you think about this everyday look. Let me know what you do for your everyday look. And if you have any suggestions for the next video that I should post, please let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell because sometimes YouTube does not let you know whenever I am putting up a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Talking with Tiana. I am Tiana, and I'll see you next time. Bye!